Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Polkadot has some really good news. It's at an all-time high for ecosystem development, which is really good. And also, it is on the 1-year anniversary of their Parachains auctions launch. So according to programming repository GitHub, which is kind of like the place where everyone submits developments to blockchains, Polkadot recognized more than 500 contributions each day in September. That is a lot of activity. People are very actively developing on Polkadot. That is an all-time high for the multi-chain protocol. Simultaneously, data from Polkadot's cross-consensus interoperability standard XCM show a record 26,258 messages were sent between its parachains. So full of activity. A lot of development going on, and obviously the ecosystem is expanding because of all this, and we know that ecosystem development and ecosystem expansion is key for growing value on the blockchain. So in the next bull run, Polkadot could actually be one of the stars. So in total, in August, 14,930 contributions from developers were recorded on Polkadot's GitHub, which is very much a spike. As told by project developers, there's 66 parachains now on Polkadot and Kusama. Since its inception, over 140,000 messages have been exchanged between chains via 135 messaging channels. So there's still a lot of activity there, but activity has recently jumped as people are developing more and more on Polkadot, more and more on Parachains and Polkadot. You're going to see a lot more projects coming up. You're going to see more money flow into the network. You're going to see more money flow into the ecosystem, more locked TVL, and that generally means Polkadot's going to have higher value as more users actually come in. So parachains are individual layer 1 blockchains that run in parallel on Polkadot and are first tested on Kusama. Auctions for parachain slots are held in the form of crowd loans, with position going to the highest bidding project. So basically, moving forward, Rob Habermeyer has recently published a roadmap on enhancing Polkadot and Kusama's scalability. They need to scale with all these parachains running in parallel. So the asynchronous backing upgrade is scheduled for development on Kusama by the end of the year, and then on Polkadot, another network upgrade which will introduce pay-as-you-go parachains would theoretically combine launching a blockchain on Kusama with simultaneously launching smart contracts. So everything is actually coming together for Polkadot. They have a whole bunch of activity. People are going to be developing DeFi, EVM protocols, and things like that. And it's just going to have a lot more value locked, a lot of NFT projects, and a lot of activity going into the next bull run. So very good chain to actually pick up some. DOT will actually be used for security on the parachains. So I do actually believe that Polkadot has some value, a lot of value. I still do believe that some of the side chains definitely have more value in terms of ROI. Polkadot is, however, safer. And with so many projects running in parallel, I do think people are going to want to pick up some DOT for security purposes. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.